Hi everyone, I am Shyam. Welcome back to my channel. Before we start today's video, let me ask you a few quick questions. Have you ever opened Netflix or Amazon Prime and thought, how does this app know exactly which movie I want to watch next? Or when you are order food on Swiggy or Zomato, how do they suggest your favorite restaurant or topics for you? Or even when you just type a single word in a Google, how does it instantly shows you what you were about to search for? Well, all of that magic happened because of something called data science. And guess what? The people behind that magic, the ones who makes apps smarter, system faster, and decisions sharper, are called as a data scientist. And today I am going to take you through it a complete roadmap on how to become a data scientist in India or anywhere in the world. So stay tuned because by the end of this video you to know what is data science, who is eligible for data science and what exact steps to follow even if you are a beginner, what kind of salaries you can expect as a data scientist and which top companies are hiring data scientists right now. Ready? Let's get started. Let's start with the basis. What exactly is data science? In simple word, data science is an arts and science of turning data into decisions. In the world, like every company today, where it is a hospital, a bank, a startup, or even a big tech companies collect a huge amount of data every single days, right? So it could be a customer behavior, sales number, feedback, or even a social media post. But here the problem begins. The raw data is a meaningless. Okay, so that's where your data scientist comes in. They take all the messy data, they will clean the data, organize the data, and analyze the data and find the meaningful insights that help company to understand what's working and what's not working and how to make a smarter business moves and all. Okay, for example, Netflix uses data science to find which movie are trending and what kind of shows you like. Amazon uses it to recommend products you are most likely to buy. And Uber, Ola, Rapido uses it collects the shortest route and the best pricing. And banks use the data science to detect the fraud and prevent loss. So in short, data science equal to data plus logic plus technology plus business understanding. Okay. So data science is not just a coding, it's a storytelling with the data. So the second most thing what we are going to see is who can become a data scientist and what is the eligibility. So most of the common questions people ask me is, bro, can I become a data scientist? My answer is yes. Anyone can become a data scientist if you have a curiosity and consistency. If you are from engineering like IT, CSE, ECE, you already have a technical base. If you are from BSc, BCA, MCA or MSc, perfect, you can move into the data easily. Even if you are from the commons, economics or a MBA, data science welcome you too, because business and data go hand in hand. Okay, and as even if you are a non-technical background, you can still switch to this career as long as you are ready to learn programming, logic and data handling. There is no age limit, no fixed background. You just need to will to learn something new every day. So next we are going to see how to become a data scientist step by step. So now let's get into the real part, the exact roadmap to become a data scientist. To follow these steps carefully. Okay. Step one is learn programming. So in the programming, I will mostly prefer Python only. Every data scientist must know how to code, and the Python is the most powerful language here. Okay. So why I am suggesting Python here? Because it is simple, readable and has tons of libraries made just for data science like pandas, numpys, matlab and there are so many libraries are there. Start by learning variables, data types, loops, conditional statement, functions, list and file handling and all. Okay, once you are confident with the basics, start exploring the Python libraries like Panda, NumPy, MATLAB and all. For Panda is for data manipulations, and NumPy for a numerical calculation, and Seaborn and all for the data visualization. And remember, you don't need to become a full time of like a software engineer and all. Okay, you just need to learn Python to work with data effectively. Okay, Next, step 2 is understand statistics and mathematics. Without it, data science is incomplete. You should learn concepts like the mean, median, mode and all, and variance, standard deviation, probability, and the distributions and all. So correlation, regression, hypothesis testing, this help you understand how data behaves, what pattern exists, and what decision can be made confidently. And don't worry, you don't need to advanced level of math, just clear your basis and practice real examples. Step 3, learn data analysis and visualization. This is where you to learn the handle real data, okay? You to take a raw messy data like CSV files and clean them, remove errors, fill missing values and organize everything neatly. Then you to analyze the data to find insights, for example which product sells best, which city gives the most profit, or which age groups buy more. You to visualize more finding using a cban, tableau or power bi and all, because in real companies it's not just finding insights, it's about presenting them beautifully so non-technical people can understand, okay? Step 4, learn machine learning. Once you are confident in Python and analysis, step into the machine learning. This is the core of data science, where your computer starts learning data without explicit instructions. Start with the basic algorithms like linear regressions, logistic regression, decision tree, and random forest, k-mean clustering, and all. Okay, then slowly move to advanced topic like NLP, like a natural language processing, deep learning, and neural networks. Take your time here, practice with the small projects after every concept, okay? Step 5, work on real project. Now that you have learned the theory, it's time to build something. Real project will make you a resume stronger and help you stand out. Start with the simple projects like predicting house prices, analysis COVID-19 or the sales data, sentiment analysis on Twitter or the UT comments, and predicting stock prices. You can find a free database on websites like Kaggle's, Google Data Search, or UCI Machine Learning Respiratory. Each project you complete teach you something new. Plus, it shows recruiter that you are serious about to the field. Step 6, create a portfolio and get certified. Now build your data science portfolio, your online IDTT, okay? Use GitHub to upload your projects, codes, report. Create a professional LinkedIn profile where you can share your learning journey and the mini projects. Also get a certificate from the platform like Coursera, IBM Data Science, or the Google Data Analytics course, edX from like a data science micro masters. From Udemy you can get a Python and machine learning boot camps, or the institute like other like which is located in Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Mumbai kind of metro cities. You can do the simple courses and get the certification build a credibility, especially when you are new to the field. Step 7, apply for internship and jobs. Once your basis and projects are ready, it's time to apply. Start with the roles like data analyst, junior data scientist, business analyst. These roles will give you the practical experience, teach teamwork, and expose you to the real world data problems. Keep moving, keep learning, and 1 to 2 years you can become into the full fledged data scientist. Next, we are going to see what are the top companies are hiring data scientists in the world. Now let's talk about where you can actually work. Here are the some top recruiters: Google, Microsoft, Amazon, IBM, TCS, Deloitte, Infosys, Accenture, Flipkart, Swiggy, and Zomato. And not just the tech companies, hospitals uses data science for the patient analytics, banks use for the fraud detection, startup use for the improved products, government use it for the smart city planning. Basically, every industry needs right now the data scientist today. Okay. So next we are going to see what is the salary range in India for the data scientists. Let's talk about the exciting part, which is salary in India. As of now, in 2025, fresher entry-level data analysts get 4 to 8 LPA, and mid-level data scientists from like 2 to 5 years are getting a 10 to 20 LPA. Senior data scientist more like which is more than 5 years of experience person getting 25 to 40 LPA and more. And if you work for international clients or remote companies, it can go beyond 50 LPA. Globally, the average annual salary of data scientists is above 1 CR in companies like Google, Meta, and Future. Next, I am going to talk about the future scope. Data science is not just a smart term trend, okay? It's a future of decision making. By 2030, it is estimated that 70% of business decisions will depend on data analytics. That means job opportunity in data science, AI, machine learning will keep increasing, okay? And the best part is not just a high paying field, it's an intellectual satisfying career where you can consistently learning and innovating. And my final thought and motivation, so let's quickly recap what we have learned today. Learn Python programming, master statistics and mathematics, learn data analytics and visualization, get into machine learning, work on real project, build your portfolio and get certified, apply for internship and projects. So that's it. Follow these 7 steps consistently for 6 to 12 months and you to become ready to start your journey as a data scientist. Remember, you don't have to be a genius to start, you just need to be curious, consistent, and committed. If you start today, your 1 year from now could look completely different. Okay, so yes, guys, if this video help you understand the path clearly, do me some small favor like hit the like button, subscribe my channel for more career and tech videos, and share this video with your friends who are planning their future in a tech. Okay, this is Sam signing off. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay confident, and keep learning every single day.